Hi, and welcome back to Bean Talk. Last week we talked about the basics of latte art, and this week we want to talk about the common mistakes you might make doing latte art. So yeah, Benji.
Hello.
He's back as our latte art instructor. Let's start with mistake number one. Okay, Benji. So, mistake number one. What is it?
Mistake number one is the wrong texture of the milk. So you should never foam like this. If you hear that noise, it's not good.
Yeah, because you're probably going to end up with quite bubbly foam.
Yeah, you will get a milk foam that looks like that. It's way too much bubbles, way too thick, and you cannot pour any latte art with that foam.
Mistake number two, Benji.
Mistake number two is too less foam. So when you foam, you don't move the pitcher at all. You will get that noise. The milk was screaming for help.
Yeah, so if the milk screams like a cat, that's not a good sign.
No. Because now when you try to pour, you will see that there is no foam and it's too watery. It will not taste good and you cannot do anything. It doesn't taste good and it doesn't look good.
Mistake number three, Benji.
So mistake number three, that you do not tilt the cup. You should always tilt the cup, so then you can go deeper with the pitcher. For example, if we pour in, we have to be close to the surface to do latte art like this. If I make it hard. And if I go down, if I do it from here, you will see there's nothing coming. If I go down, I can make hearts.
Mistake number four.
If you finish a pattern, you should always take the pitcher back up and make a thin line with the milk. So, make the base, make the pattern. And the common mistake is that people go like this. And now,
It looks a little different.
yeah,
Not quite hard.
not what it should be. So always remember, if you finish your pattern, go up, make a thin line and finish like this with style.
All right, so to sum it up again, our four mistakes were the milk shouldn't be too thick.
Yes,
It should not be too thin.
absolutely.
Then watch out for the distance when pouring. You don't want to pour from too far up.
And always try to tilt the cup.
Yeah. So it's easier to actually minimize the distance between pitcher and cup. And then mistake number four was that if you want to finish the heart, the rosetta, for example, you should move up. If you're too close, you're gonna mess up your pattern. So yeah, that's it. If you still need help with the basics of latte art, you can go and check out our last video that we made, where we talked about the basics of latte art and also basic patterns. So yeah, that's it for today. Benji, thank you so much, like always.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, and to you, thanks so much for tuning in. Drink lots of good coffee and see you next week. Bye.
Check our reels.
And check out our reels, of course. All right. If you enjoy our videos, please do us a favor and hit the like and subscribe button. And also maybe if you have some ideas for future videos or topics that we could do in our show, just put it down in the comments and let us know. So yeah, Thanks so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.